Development and Skilled India. India is resurgent. Today, various government initiatives has turned the country into an attractive global investment and manufacturing hub. This has led to expansion of India's industrial base, improved skills, and increased opportunities for its growing youth population. Large number of youth are taking industry-relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood. Growth and development of the engineering industries depend on the availability of precision tools. These high-quality tools and dies are manufactured with extreme precision on computer-controlled machines. Provision of proper tooling, skilled technicians, and modern technology support call for high investments. Small-scale enterprises who want to develop their business have to rely on institutions offering such services.
CTR wishes to be a service provider to the industry, particularly small-scale industry of the region, to take the benefit of low-cost automation and the technological advancements taking place throughout the world in the field of tool development.
Central Tool Room Ludhiana was established in the year 1980 under the bilateral agreement between Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India and Government of Germany. CTR is a knowledge center equipped with the state-of-art machinery, advanced manufacturing and design softwares to increase the efficiency of micro, small and medium enterprises in the northern region in light engineering and allied fields. CTR Ludhiana provides support in the area of design and production of tools, jigs and fixtures, besides advisory and consultancy services. It also helps to manufacture small and medium-sized tools such as press tools, jigs and fixtures, molds, dies and special purpose tools. CTR Ludhiana's core service areas are tooling development, 3D printing, heat treatment and training. CTR has modern tool room with advanced machines required for development of quality tools under single roof. Services offered by Tool Production Department include guidance in planning, design and manufacturing of tools as per latest international techniques, manufacturing of molds, press tools, die casting dies, jigs, fixtures and gauges, computer-aided machining, quality-controlled and in-house tryout facilities, which results in efficient and timely execution of projects. Rapid Prototyping Center at CTR Ludhiana use physical modeling of a design using a special class of machine technology. 3D printing systems quickly produce models and prototype parts from 3D computer-aided design, CAD model data, CT and MRI data, and data created from 3D digitizing system. 3D printing is powerful technology for design validation and production of intricate parts, which are otherwise difficult to make. Customized solution can be easily addressed with 3D printing. To enhance the tool life, CTR Ludhiana offers services in heat treatment, vacuum hardening furnace with load capacity of 600 kg, benefit in uniform heating and negligible heat loss, beside oxidation-free surface. Its application is in cutting tools like cutters, broaches, forging dies, textile machining parts, PDC dies, sheet metal die, and hand tool dies and punches. Plasma nitriding is used to achieve case hardness up to 1400 HV and depth penetration up to 0.20 mm. Plasma nitriding improves the surface hardness, uniform case depth, wear resistance, corrosion resistance, fatigue life and tensile strength. Tempering is done in pit furnace. Salt bath hardening for all type of tooled steels, alloy steel and general purpose steel is also done. CTR has NABL accredited lab, which has spectrometer for chemical composition testing, portable hardness tester, metallurgical microscope, ultrasonic flaw detector and universal hardness tester. CTR Ludhiana has emerged as one of the leading technical skill development center in the country in providing technical skill development courses. Central Tool Room Ludhiana offers training courses of long-term and short-term durations to cover wide spectrum of technical manpower. It imparts long-term technical training in the form of postgraduate diploma, certificate course for students who want to become tool makers, technicians in the plastic metal processing industry, automation specialist or heat treatment specialist. CTR conducts short-term and part-time courses putting emphasis not only on advanced technologies such as CNC programming, machining and CAD/CAM but also offers training in conventional subjects. To meet the requirement of growth and advancement of industries, CTR has expanded themselves towards automation and robotics sector and started several long-term and short-term skill development courses in mechatronics, PLC, SCADA, HMI, pneumatics and hydraulics. The courses offered by CTR are accepted by industries in India and abroad for employment purposes. The institute has robust infrastructure, latest training methodologies and well-trained faculty to ensure best quality of training. The courses are NSQF compliant. The passed out students carry with them certification of acquired skill.
जब हमने CTR में आया तो हमें यहाँ पे टेक्निकल नॉलेज दी गई और सारे काम सही आने के कारण, टेक्निकल नॉलेज सही होने के कारण जब हम प्लेसमेंट के द्वारा KK इंडस्ट्री जलंधर में गया तो वहाँ पे हमारा पोस्ट HOD का पोस्ट मिला और सैलरी भी सही मिली और सम्मान भी मिला।
Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME), in joint collaboration with Samsung India, is also conducting advanced courses to provide specialized training to students in mobile repairing and maintenance, LED repairing, AC repairing, washing machine repairing and refrigerator repairing. Samsung Engineering, through their CSR initiative, is able to benefit the communities by providing all the tools, modern test equipment and other consumable material required for training and skill development of the students. The students are provided with the opportunity to learn on the latest mobile phones, audiovisual and home appliance products. The training covers areas such as repair, troubleshooting and installation. CTR Ludhiana strive to achieve quality in every aspect of services and is ISO 9001-2008 certified. The documentation and dissemination are important activities of the CTR, which include procurement of books, journals and documents. CTR Ludhiana has well-stocked library. CTR Ludhiana has 3 extension centers located at Nilokheri, Karnal and Faridabad with an objective of training and services in tool design and development, CAD/CAM and CNC programming and machining to the local youth of the area. CTR Ludhiana has residential hostel facilities for the students. The students are provided nutritious food and recreational facilities. By providing people with the skills to earn a living, creating jobs where they are needed, and securing a global network of qualified human resources, CTR Ludhiana has embarked on a journey of excellence to emerge as a trendsetter in the country.
Our goal is to be a center of excellence in the field of product design, product validation through 3D printing, tool design and development, automation for the benefit of small-scale industry of the region.
CTR Ludhiana is providing relentless service to the nation in skilling Indian youth and contributing towards skilled India.